I'm going to start by writing my name on the back of my white piece of paper. Make sure you write your name with a pencil first. Then turn your paper over. I am going to get my painted piece of paper from last time. It has a long side and a short side. I am going to tear the short side. I'm going to kind of measure with my finger about 1 inch and tear the paper. I'm going to tear the short side and see how it leaves that little white fuzzy edge. So let's do another one, and I'm going to tear the paper. Do it carefully. Don't make them too big and don't make them too skinny. You want them about medium size, about 1 inch or 2. Tear the paper. Do not tear it the long way, tear it the short way. So I can do this on the other side too. Keep tearing that paper. Try to tear in a straight line. That looks pretty good. Save all your pieces. Don't lose any of them. Now, the 2 outside edges with the straight lines, we don't want those. We're going to put those to the side. So I'm going to get rid of them. Now, I'm going to use the torn pieces to cover my square piece of paper. I'm going to get my glue stick and open it up, twist it just a little bit. So I'm going to put the glue on the back of the strip of painted paper. Make sure you put enough glue on there for it to stick. Glue all the way along your piece of paper. Then I'm going to line it up very carefully with the bottom of my paper. Make sure both sides touch both sides of the paper. So no white spots are showing from the paper underneath. I'm going to do the same with the next piece. This time when I glue it down, I'm going to overlap the pieces of paper. That means the next one is going to slightly cover the previous one, so that way no white paper peeps through. That looks good. Press it and hold for a second. Stick it down. See how it's kind of overlapping? One is just slightly on top of the other one. I'm going to do this again for the next one, and I'm going to glue all the paper strips down onto my piece of paper. That looks good. Make sure you line it up. Oh, if you got a big space, maybe you flip it around the other way. See if you can make it fit. Nope, let's turn it around. See if this side fits better. Oh, that looks better. So let's glue that down. Press and hold. Continue this process across your whole piece of paper. Once you have glued down all of your paper strips and no white paper is left showing on your picture, you are all done. Don't forget you can turn it around if you think it'll fit better that way. Now I'm going to flip my whole paper over and I'm going to press it and rub it on the table. This will just make sure that the glue is nice and stuck. And then when I'm all done, I can put my materials away, I can clean up, and I am all done with today's part of our penguin picture.